This is a 12 thread, 12 row repeat pattern using 6 colours. You want to arrange your threads in colour pairs, so I'm doing rainbow, but you could do any colour combination that you prefer. For your first row, you want to do all forward knots. For your second row and all subsequent even numbered rows, you want to ignore your first and last thread, and starting with threads 2 and 3, you want to do 1 forward knot, and then 4 forward backward knots. For row 3, you want to do all forward knots. For your fourth row, again ignoring the first and last threads, you want to do 2 forward knots, and then 3 forward backward knots. For row 5, you want to do all forward knots. For row 6, you want to do a forward backward knot, two forward knots, and then 2 forward backward knots. For row 7, you want to do all forward knots. For row 8, you want to do 2 forward backward knots, 2 forward knots, and 1 forward backward knot. For row 9 you want to do all forward knots. For row 10 you want to do 3 forward backward knots, and then 2 forward knots. For row 11 you want to do all forward knots. For row 12 you want to do 4 forward backward knots, and 1 forward knot. So once you've done these 12 rows, you will notice that the colours are not back in the original order. However, the knotting sequence repeats every 12 rows. So you can keep repeating these 12 rows until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with braided tie-on ends, but you could use whatever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.